Okay guys, today on Chris Does What? Discovered the limitation to the capability of the tools I have. We were working on this boat and found out we have low compression in cylinder 3 and 4. So cylinder 3 had 60 pounds of pressure, cylinder 4 had 90 pounds. Well, I'm not going to trust that in the ocean unless you want to row it, babe? No, she doesn't want to row it. So we're down here at JB Automotive, and they're going to pull out our engine, order a long block for it with a 2-year warranty, and shove all that back in. So just going to give you a glimpse of how clean this shop is. So we brought our boat in, and they put it in the shop, and they're completely covering the back here. So all the hard work that Danny did on here is going to stay pretty and clean. And this is JB Automotive in Florida. And there's JB over there. He's just walking around. Hey guys. But if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Somewhere down there, looks about like that. And if you're interested in JB's shop, located in Florida, Northside Tampa, I'll leave a link to his shop below. Y'all please take care.
Bye.